Hasami-chō is a town located in Higashisonogi District, Nagasaki Prefecture, Japan. It is known, along with neighboring Arita, Saga Prefecture for its China manufacturing. As of March 31, 2017, the town has an estimated population of 14,940 and a density of 270 persons per km2. The total area is 56.00 square kilometers. Hasami is located within the central part of Nagasaki Prefecture, which is about 20 kilometers from central Sasebo. It is the only landlocked town in the prefecture. Nagasaki Prefecture, Sasebo, Kawatana, Saga Prefecture, Takeo, Urashino, Arita. Hasami have a high school, called the Nagasaki Prefectural Hasami High School. Furthermore, there are 2 junior high schools and 3 elementary schools in Hasami. Hasami did not serve any railways, with the closest stations are Arita Station in Arita and Kawatana Station in Kawatana. Nishikyushu Expressway. Hasami have some sister city relationships with these municipalities. Naur, Brazil, since April 2, 1988. Gangjin County, South Korea, since October 20, 2010.